Are you hesitant to start small? If yes, this video is meant for you. Please watch this video till the end. Even a tallest tree was not visible at the beginning of its life cycle. Starting small doesn't mean you will remain small. If you use smallest opportunity in life, it can turn into a bigger success. People are usually reluctant to start small because they see either lack of progress or they feel ashamed of what others might think of them. Many times, people let go of opportunities without realizing that they lost an opportunity of a lifetime. Never be afraid or ashamed of taking up small opportunities in life. When you start small, you are able to learn, improve, and be experienced before you grow bigger. The good news is there are certain tools and techniques available that can enable you to think big and change your life. If you want to change your life but don't know how, please reach out to me right now. If you are interested in, please join my community for your transformation. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you all the best.